Can we buy the stock at low price, sell it at high, and repeat this cycle over and over again to make money from the stock market? Well, we have a scientific evidence about it. William Sharpe, he's a Nobel Prize winning economist. He published this article and it became very influential in the finance literature. If you haven't met yet, my name is Ata. I'm an economics student as well as an academic researcher. First of all, this is not a financial advice. I'll be trying to explain his perspective to you. To understand if we can time the market, we'll be deciding in the beginning of each year that we should either be investing in stock market or retaining our money in the cash equivalences. So he calculates the average annual return of stock market and he finds it's 14.86% if you're timing the market perfectly. You have perfect information. But how about we just buy and hold? We make around 10.86% a year. Well, the difference is 4.22%, which is actually very high. But under these circumstances that we are perfectly timing the market, what is your own ability to predict the market? Don't get confused, I'll be explaining this. If your prediction ability is 50%, that means that you guess 5 years correctly out of 10 years, you'll be making a net expected return of 6.63% annually, which is very low. Why? Because if you just buy and hold, you will be making 3.79% more than timing the market. How about I correctly guess 6 out of 10? You'll still be making 2.28% less than a person who just buys and holds it. If you're able to guess the outcome of the next year by 75% accuracy, you'll be making the same return with a person who just buys and holds. Well, if you have understand nothing, that's completely fine because maybe you're not familiar with these articles or economics or mathematics. Just look at this graph, okay? This is a fitted graph. It compares the buy and hold strategy and the timing strategy. The intercept gives you the break-even point. If your accuracy is lower than 75%, you'll be making less money. And if it's higher than 75%, you're making more money. It's not very easy to predict the future by 75% accuracy. Are you able to predict the next 20 years and correctly guess the 15 out of it? And by the way, if you liked the video so far, let me know in the comments and subscribe. And yeah, this is why it's not very easy for an ordinary person to predict the future. Well, of course, you can time the market and make money from this. It's working, yes, but the probability is very low. Well, how about the downsides of this article? First of all, we make decision in the beginning of each year. Maybe I'm doing this on the halfway through. Or I'm not only investing in the stock market, maybe I'm investing in real estate or gold or, crypto right now. It would have been better if the scope of this article was large, but it's still a very good article and it's written by a person who holds a Nobel Prize. Thank you for watching the video and hopefully see you in the next one.